Have you ever wondered if lightning can strike the same place twice? In 2012, a storm enthusiast captured a mesmerizing video that answers this question with a resounding yes. During a ferocious thunderstorm, the camera recorded a single tree being struck by lightning not once, but twice within minutes, illuminating the night sky with an electrifying display of nature's raw power. The first strike sent a shower of sparks into the air, but it was the second strike that truly astonished viewers, as it split the tree's trunk and ignited a small fire. This rare and dramatic footage not only debunks the myth that lightning never strikes the same place twice but also showcases the unpredictable and awe-inspiring force of nature.